Samsung just dropped something incredible, the Premiere 5. It's not just a projector, it's the future of smart interactive displays. Debuted at CES 2025 and now officially launched in South Korea, the Premiere 5 is a triple-laser ultra-short throw 4K projector. From just 43 centimeters away, it throws a massive 100-inch image, sharp, bright, and incredibly vivid. Walls, tables, floors, any flat surface becomes a digital canvas. But here's the magic. This isn't just for watching. Thanks to its built-in infrared camera and laser module, the Premiere 5 responds to touch. Pinch to zoom, tap to select, swipe to navigate. The Premiere 5 brings touchscreen interactivity to any surface. No need to fiddle with settings. Its AI-powered sensors adjust brightness, contrast, and colors in real time, based on your room's lighting. Powered by Tizen OS 9.0 and Samsung's One UI, it brings all your favorite streaming apps right to your wall. And with built-in SmartThings support, your smart home just got smarter. The Premiere 5 is now available in South Korea for KRW 1.99 million, or about $1,083. Haeon Lee, EVP at Samsung, says, "The Premiere 5 is more than a projector. It's a lifestyle innovation redefining everyday screen experiences." Like what you see? Subscribe for more smart tech that transforms everyday life.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.